Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish with paper easy. First, gather your materials. You'll need one square sheet of paper, ideally 6 by 6 inches, which is perfect for a small, charming fish. Also, grab some scissors, a glue stick, and your favorite markers or crayons. Selecting a bright, colorful paper will make your finished fish truly pop and stand out. This simple craft is fun for all ages. Now, let's start with the basic folds. Begin by folding your square paper diagonally in half, creating a perfect triangle. Unfold it, then repeat the diagonal fold in the opposite direction. Next, fold the paper in half horizontally and then vertically, unfolding each time. These 8 creases are crucial. They form the foundational lines that will help you shape the main body of your paper fish with precision and ease. With your creases in place, it's time to shape the fish's body. Gently push the sides of the paper inward along the diagonal creases. This action will naturally form a smaller square, often called a squash fold. Next, take the bottom corners of the top layer and fold them upwards, aligning them with the top point. Flip your paper over and repeat these exact folds on the other side. You're now forming the distinct diamond shape of your fish. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your paper fish. Carefully cut a small triangle from the open end of your diamond shape. This will form the tail fin. Next, fold down the top 2 points of the diamond just slightly to create the side fins, giving your fish movement. Now for the fun part, grab your markers. Draw expressive eyes, intricate scales, and any other patterns you desire. Your beautiful, handmade paper fish is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.